All right, what are we looking at?
So we're looking at an R8 exhaust that I'm working on. I've been building a lot of these, and recently I started shipping them out. So I no longer do installs in-house on these cars, which is a very large project. So what I do is I design these, I have them mocked up on a jig, and after I know they fit, what I'll do is I'll weld everything up, and then these will get cut right here, and I'll put some slip joints on. So they're actually a very tight packaged unit, and pretty easy to ship for a pretty fair price.
Dude, those freaking, those resin, your mufflers, what size is that? Those things are huge.
Yeah, these are going on my S4. So I got stuff in for my S4's exhaust. I'm gonna run my car pretty quiet, so we're gonna do a dual muffler and a large resonator. And we are gonna have the party button though. So there will be a boost actuated cutout so that we can have some noise.